As a professional crafter, I'm always on the lookout for ways to make my crafting setup better and improve my equipment. Better equipment allows me to produce things more efficiently. For quite some time now, I have seen laser cutters featured in some content online and was very interested in the capability that these machines provide. I proceeded to go on a journey of discovery, and after much research and comparing many spec sheets and details of many machines, I had narrowed it down to a few primary candidates, of which 2 I might be interested in purchasing. One of the main contenders in the laser cutting space for crafters at the moment is the Glowforge. The Glowforge is a machine that allows easy access to laser cutting and offers a few different machine models. Knowing that I wanted to use the machine to create many different things, I gravitated to the professional model, but was disappointed that it required the user to be online at all times while using, and was only available in certain countries at the time I filmed this. Another machine that I came across was the FLUX Beambox Pro. This machine, aside from the pass-through capability of the above-mentioned Glowforge, seemed more capable in all areas, with offline use possible, as well as multiple network connectivity options. The price point at this time was also more attractive at this entry point, when comparing both machines' specifications. The icing on the cake was the availability of the Beambox Pro in nearly all main continents worldwide. And with the established user groups and community support channels, as well as a business nearby to me that was able to provide the machine and support me through this new stage, made this particular machine an easy choice. Koenig, my chosen supplier, also helped me arrange access to materials, a huge range of acrylic colors and wood, and very helpful staff provided a demo session prior to the pickup of our new machine. After setting up this machine, which was very straightforward, and really, to say the truth, I just filmed and my husband did all the work, creating projects with this machine has been a wonderful experience so far, and I am looking forward to all the amazing things that this machine will enable me to create. So on that note, stay tuned for new and exciting content where I use my Cricut and laser cutter together. I have also added a laser cut section to the shop, which will house SVG files that can be cut with the laser cutter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Show this video some love by giving it a like, and subscribe to the channel if this kind of thing interests you. See you in the next video.